Have you ever scrolled through your feed and stopped dead on one of those stunning home interior decor videos, the kind that gets millions of views, and thought, how are they making these? Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain on exactly how I do it. Welcome to AI Pipeline, where we keep it real and share the AI tools that are actually worth your time. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through my entire process for creating viral home interior decor videos using a tool called DeHome AI. And honestly, once you see how simple this is, you're going to wonder why you didn't start sooner. DeHome AI is an all-in-one AI-powered home design platform that already has over 100,000 users worldwide and more than 300,000 design projects completed. That alone tells you people are getting real results with this thing. What it does is simple. It lets you generate professional-grade interior, exterior, and landscape designs in seconds. You just upload a photo of your space, pick a style you like, and the AI gets to work. It gives you layout ideas, furniture arrangements, and multiple design options almost instantly. No back and forth, no guessing, just clean, visualized results fast. And the best part? You don't need a bunch of different tools or subscriptions. Everything is right here in one place. Oh, and you can actually try it out completely for free. No credit card required. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check it out yourself. Now, since we're focused on home interior decor today, DeHome AI has exactly what we need. Once you're on the platform, head over to the navigation menu, click on Interior, then go ahead and select AI Room Decorator, and that's where the magic happens. So as you can see on the dashboard, DeHome AI is incredibly straightforward to use. What you can do here is simply upload a photo of a blank, empty space, and the AI will automatically generate a beautifully decorated interior based on your preferences. No design experience needed, no complicated settings to figure out. Now, there are actually two ways you can go about this. The first option is to browse and select from a range of preset styles that the platform gives you, which is great if you already have a general vibe in mind. The second option is the custom mode, where you simply type in a prompt describing exactly what you want, and the AI takes that description and brings it to life in seconds. Both options are powerful, but for this tutorial, I'll be going with the style selection option, so you can see just how easy the process is. Alright, so for today's example, I want to decorate a living room. To get started, I'm going to come right over here and upload an image of a blank, empty living room. Now, if you don't have one handy, don't worry. You can easily generate a blank room image using any AI image generator out there. It's really that simple. Next, we want to make sure the room type is set correctly, so I'll go ahead and confirm that living room is selected right here. Now here's where it gets really fun, the room style options. DeHome AI gives you a really impressive variety of styles to choose from. We're talking modern, Scandinavian, industrial, minimalist, traditional, bohemian, and that's just scratching the surface. There's genuinely something for every taste and aesthetic, which is what makes this tool so versatile. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and select modern style. Clean lines, sleek finishes, very polished look. Once you've selected your style, all you have to do is hit that generate button. And within seconds, watch how the AI completely transforms this empty, bare space into a fully decorated, stunning living room. Let's go ahead and take a look at the preview. And just like that, look at how incredible this space turned out. What was once a completely empty room has been transformed into a beautifully decorated living space, and it took only a few seconds. That's the power of DeHome AI. The best part is, this isn't limited to just living rooms. You can do this for any space in your home. The kitchen, bedroom, dining room, bathroom, you name it. The possibilities are really endless, and every result looks polished and professional. Go ahead and explore the different room types and styles. You might surprise yourself with what you come up with. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this image to my device so we can take it into the next step. Now, to bring this image to life and turn it into the kind of scroll-stopping transformation video that goes viral, we're heading over to Google Flow. Once you're inside Google Flow, click on the Settings tab and switch it over to Video mode. For the aspect ratio, go ahead and select Landscape. And for the number of outputs, I'll set it to 2, but feel free to generate more or less if you want options to choose from. Now, in the prompt box, you'll notice 2 small boxes labeled Start and End. For the Start frame, click on it and upload the image of your blank, empty living room. For the End frame, upload the beautifully furnished version we just generated with DeHome AI. Then, paste in this prompt. A smooth, cinematic time-lapse transformation of a living room renovation. Workers are seen moving in and arranging furniture, appliances, and fixtures, piece by piece, as the space gradually evolves from a bare, empty room into a fully decorated, modern living space. The camera remains steady throughout, capturing every stage of the transformation with warm, natural lighting. The pace builds with energy and ends with a stunning final reveal of the completed interior. Now go ahead and hit that generate button, and in just a few seconds, your video is ready to go. Let's take a look at the preview. I mean, just look at that. How incredible is that? We went from a completely empty room to a stunning, fully furnished living space, and now we have a cinematic transformation video to show for it. This is exactly the kind of content that stops people mid-scroll and racks up millions of views, and we created the whole thing in just a matter of minutes using nothing but AI tools. Once you're happy with the result, simply hit the download button to save your video. And if you want to take it a step further, you also have the option to upscale the video before downloading, which gives you an even sharper, higher quality finish that looks great on any platform. Now, whether you're a home design content creator looking to grow your audience, an architect wanting to present concepts to clients in a more visual and engaging way, or a home decor expert trying to showcase your expertise and attract new business, this workflow is honestly a game changer for you. DeHome AI gives you the ability to show clients exactly what their space could look like before a single piece of furniture is even moved. That's a powerful selling tool. So if you haven't already, go ahead and give it a try. The link is right there in the video description. And remember, it's completely free to get started. I'll see you in the next one.